Building with Papa. Okay, here's our materials. We're going to be building a board-on-board fence. See, we have the 4x4s, the pickets, and 2x4s. All right, first thing we did is we ran a string line from end to end so we know where our fence is going to be installed. So we run a nice string line, and then I put stakes in the ground 4 foot apart. That's going to show us where each post is going to be dug. They had some aretha palms or something like that here. So this ground is tough, full of roots. It was very hard to dig these holes. We had to dig down 24 inches for the posts. This one here was simple at the ends, but the other ones, man, we had to use a sawzall, pickaxe, different things to try and dig these holes. They were horrendous. Okay, well, now we've got the holes dug, and I set the 2 end posts, and then I set 2 more about 1/3 of the way down so I could run my string line about 1.5 inches off the post on the bottom and about 1/2 inch off the post on the top. This is going to give us it in one direction plumb for the post, and we use a level for the other side. And then we install the 2x4s, put one up at the top and one about 8 inches off the ground, and the center one. Make sure you stagger where they meet on a 4x4. You don't want them all lining up right on a single 4x4, your joints. I stagger them. It makes it stronger. Then I put in my pickets, 1 on each end. This one I chose to do in the middle, and I run a string line at the top. I plumb my first one, and then I use a 2x4 for a spacer. And about every 4 to 5 pickets, I replumb. You know, they get out of plumb if you're just using a 2x4, so I replumb them every 4 or 5 pickets. Then I have a gate opening at the one end. If you noticed, it's not at the end of a post. I have 3 posts to the right, which are going to be the support for the gate. All right, the second layer for the board on board, I do the same thing with the 2x4. Gives me a good spacing, and again, every 4th or 5th one, I'm replumbing. It's coming out really nice. The toughest part of this job was 2 things, the holes and the sun. It was very hot. But it's coming along now. And here we are. Now we've completed the fence. The gate is in. And I have to say, I really think it's looking good. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you can, leave me a thumbs up. All right, Building with Papa. See you on the next one.